Someone who is not comfortable to use concealers, it creases, you're not able to manage it, and you have mature skin, this is something that you can try. I am obsessed with this simple under 10-minute makeup look, and I'm starting by using this Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. And once I have moisturized my face, I'm using this Fast Base Stick Foundation by Makeup Revolution. This is in the color F8. Before moving on to a stick foundation, make sure that your skin is very well hydrated, very well moisturized. So I have used a good quality moisturizer, and on top of that, I've used the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. Okay, so the key is to moisturize very, very well. I can't highlight this step enough because if your skin is hydrated, the stick foundation is going to glide on beautifully. You don't have to put a lot of pressure or a struggle blending it on your face. Okay, so if you have dry skin, you have textured skin, cream foundations or stick foundations are your best friends. See how beautifully it just makes my face look flawless. If you don't have major discoloration on your face, this is good enough just to cover up that little acne that I have on my forehead. I'm just dabbing it a little bit with by adding a little more foundation, and that's it. Just dab it slightly with a soft buffing brush and you're good to go. For the blush, also I'm using a cream blush. This is by Milk and it's in the color Muse. It's a very beautiful color. I'm sure this is going to suit a lot of different skin tones, be it fair, medium, dark. And cream products work very beautifully on cream base foundations, cream blushes, cream contours. I'm using the cream contour by Milk again, and it is in the color Stoked. I'm just lightly contouring my cheekbones and the sides of my nose just to give it a little bit of sharpness. Contour is something that is subtle. It is like that background artist which doesn't scream loud but has a big role to play in the entire scene. So once I'm done with the contour, I'm using a bronzer by Milk again. And a bronzer is going to add that, touch of warmth, that touch of sun-kissed healthy glow onto your face, making you look beautiful, flawless, and it is going to look like your skin is healthy. You have got a lot of sun on your face, and you're happy, you're cheerful, and you're healthy. So bronzer does more than you think, and I absolutely love using cream bronzers. And once I'm done with all using all the cream products, I'm going to mattify my face using a compressed powder. This is the Airbrush Filter Powder by Charlotte Tilbury. You can use any compact powder that you're comfortable with. This one especially I would recommend you if you're ready to splurge. This is expensive, but it gives you a filtered look. It just works in making your pores look absolutely tiny. It doesn't emphasize texture. And I'm also reinforcing the blush with a powder blush by NARS. This is Exhibit A. This is an optional step. If you want to make your blush look a little more prominent, you can go ahead and add a powder blush on top of this. It's your call. And also I'm going to add a powder bronzer just to accentuate that sun-kissed bronze look. And this is a bronzer by Charlotte Tilbury. Again, it's all your choice. The product's choice can be absolutely yours. You don't have to go ahead and splurge on these products. It's all about the technique. So the major point is once you're done with the cream products, you go ahead and reinforce them with powder products. Time to do my brows, and this is the pencil by ELF. This is a very beautiful, easy to use brow pencil by ELF, and it's in the color dark brown. That goes well for my brow color. And see how beautifully it helps me thicken my brows, make it look natural, bushy, and yet not overly filled, not overly blocky, or very artificial looking. It maintains the natural look of my brows. It doesn't look too fake. And there is also a spoolie attached on the other end of this pencil, and that helps you brush away. And as you brush away, it spreads the product evenly over your brows. It has a very nice consistency, which helps you get a decent amount of coverage on your brows, and also not make it look too blocky or too harsh. And that's why I love this product. Once I'm done with the pencil, I'm going ahead with a brow mascara. This is by NYX Cosmetics, and I am doing a light brush over my brow hair just to make them look a little more prominent, and give them a kind of a laminated look. It doesn't laminate exactly, but it defines each and every brow hair. A brow mascara is very, very handy if you want that look. Coming to my lips, I'm using the Pillow Talk Medium Lip Liner. It's called a Lip Cheat, and it's by Charlotte Tilbury. And this is a very beautiful, Your Lips But Better kind of a color. I'm just going slightly over my upper lip line, just a tiny bit, just to give it a little bit of a fuller look. And lining my lower lip also a little, overlining it a tiny bit, and just filling it in so that my lipstick lasts longer. So the key to make your lips look more fuller and having your lipstick stay longer is to always, always, always use a lip liner. It creates a base for your lipstick to stick onto and hold on for longer time. This is the lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury in the color Supermodel, and I love this color. This is a very beautiful everyday nude color which looks good on so many different skin tones. And that's it. I'm just going to have a good amount of spritz of the airbrush finish setting spray by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm done. This is the full finished makeup look, hassle-free, easy, under 10 minutes. Anyone can do it. Doesn't need much effort. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. I will see you soon. Bye bye.